Your body works by, if you eat something, it goes to your mouth to chew it, and then it goes to your esophagus, and then it goes to your stomach exit, which it breaks into tiny pieces that you can't even touch them. And then it goes to your small intestine, where it takes the nutrients and vitamins out of it.
The what in vitamins?
Nutrients and vitamins.
Oh, okay.
And then it goes to the long intestine, and it takes out the water. And then when your body doesn't want to get rid of it, so it lets it go.
How does it let it go?
It go from your colon. It goes to your colon.
And then what does your colon do?
You use the bathroom, and then it breaks it.